I know y'all see all this shit going on with A-List and Mr. Skinny. You know what I'm saying? Look, my advice to everyone who's not A-List and Mr. Skinny. Ma, what it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 Y's back in the Mob Museum. I threw my twos up late, but I'm back in the Mob Museum. You know what I'm saying? With another banger, broski. Hey man, look, yo, I got a whole bunch of new goodies, broski. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bunch of tech stuff. And the first piece of the new merch that came in, y'all know we got our own merch, you know what I'm saying? It's mob only merch, it's out. The link will be in the bio, bro, you know what I mean? So we got, yeah, my new phone, who this, and socks. Later this week, we got some more merch coming, so as soon as I get it, I'm gonna be showing y'all as well. You know what I mean? There's some shoes coming out this weekend that I feel like that's worth talking about it, so of course we gonna chop it up, bro. And yeah, man, let's get these phones set up, bro. Cause me and Mama Bear got a new phone, so. Hey, let's get into the box, man. Mob.
Gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Hey, little nigga, you feel let it go. Put yourself first up for show. Hey, gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Hey, little nigga, you feel let it go. Yo, put yourself first up for show. Nigga try to get a job, that's a no. Ooh, guess I really had to sell dope. Who? Roll with the pose and the coat. What were you, 02 to 04? Yo, whole 11th grade, I'm in night school. This shit for survival, ain't trying to be cool. Ooh, hey, you ain't catch the news. I'm known by the gangsters, so tell me about you. Wait, I don't really care. Hey, finna put the smoke in the air. The younger wanna be Davey so bad. This shit from the gang to they ass in that bed. All they ass in that cell. We knowin' you niggas a tell. Yeah, knowin' you niggas a foe. Ain't solid, we knowin' you niggas some hoes. Yo, OG ain't tell you to stack up your dope. Yo, OG ain't tell you the game ain't for show. Give a fuck what they say, he want you out the way. Bro, I hate to tell you, yo, OG a hoe. Davey gon' slime, cause this all I know. Truth be told, bitch, this all I got. Davey gon' slime till my money grow. Can't get no job, so I got it off the block. Gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Hey, little nigga, you feel let it go. Put yourself first up for show. Hey, gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Hey, little nigga, you feel let it go. Yo, put yourself first up for show. Guess who ain't trying to be street. Yo, guess who never started no beef. Yo, but guess where nigga came from. Yo, so I finished every play I eat. Guess I'm not here for the dumb shit. The mall will not be in attendance. Disrespect to set me sweat. And I don't get no fuck where you from, bitch. Red ring on the joy of that spring. Red beam on the block, that sting. Wool snatch nigga ice there other night. Nah, I ain't tryna shine, just a little sheen. Move tell you cash rule, nigga get cream. Track what you tryna catch, nigga get clean. It's only 24 hours in a day, dawg. Gotta get to the bread a good 15. If you like me, every day it's OT. That's when I smoke that, every day it's OG. Every day keep feeling like the last one. On the mob, I be scared when I go to sleep. Head stay hurting, sometimes I'm in pain. I tell myself this is what come with the game. I got the feeling it's too late to change. Got away with shit, but karma done came. Gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Hey, little nigga, you feel let it go. Put yourself first up for show. Hey, gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Hey, little nigga, you feel let it go. Yo, put yourself first up for show.
Mob, man, we're back, broski. Both of the phones, one of them cased up, one is not. I got Mama Bear cased up. This is me right here. I gotta throw the case on it. I got the blue. Check it out. Let's see if it'll focus a little bit. It should, because I'm getting close, but matter of fact. Boop. Yeah. So yeah, bro, I got the blue. Mama Bear got the purple or lavender, whichever one. And this is the one with the yellow pen. Y'all seen that in the unboxing section. But I think that's slick. It got like a little gold band up top at the top of the pen. And for the simple fact that these are Bluetooth enabled S Pens, that's gonna make my sneaker selfies fucking fire, bro. All I gotta do is just get a little tripod for the phone, and yeah, y'all follow me on Instagram, DaveyMcFlyy. If you want to see pictures with this phone, because that's probably what I'm going to be taking most of my pictures with. You know what I'm saying? I got I got a big DSLR and a little small point and shoot, 4K point and shoot. But everybody like to take pictures with their phone, bro. So yeah. Definitely follow me on my IG, and I'm definitely gonna do a couple vlogs with this and test out the camera as well. I was watching Casey Neistat video on the camera, like the verses in between this phone and the iPhone Max X1, whatever. Y'all don't know nothing about no iPhones, and I ain't gonna start talking trash because I don't want the iPhone gang to get the bash in the mob and have all the Android boys, and you know what I'm saying, we ain't gonna start no wars over here on this channel. But I did see Casey Neistat video, and I was thoroughly impressed with the camera on this phone. So if I could get me a good out and about rig, I would definitely use my phone to vlog. It's crazy inconspicuous vlogging with your phone when you inside the mall. When you come in there with cameras, with the wrist straps and the neck straps and all that, motherfuckers be on you, waiting on you to pull the camera out so they can be like, get the fuck out, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, bro. We gonna rock and roll. And the socks are on deck, bro. Now, like right off the bat, bro, I would say quality wise, if y'all know about odd socks, they're made like thin odd socks. So if you like odd socks, you're gonna love these because they're thinner than the odd socks. The actual graphic on here, I mean, it's decent, look pretty cool. It ain't bad. Gotta repeat it, mob only, all logo all over the sock with that good mob heart on the toes and on the back, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, mob only all over, going all over the sock. These shit sweet, bro. I really like these. I'm finna take them down to Mama Bear, 'cause Mama Bear ain't seen them yet, so hopefully she be surprised when she see them, bro. Mob, I'm gonna grab a pair of kicks and get a on foot off, so everybody who got the socks, you'll know what to expect when you know what I mean, rock your shoes with them, whatever. Want them to be universal as possible. It ain't like no matchy type shit. You just put on any kind of shoes you want to and rock out with a sock, bro. But we're gonna put them to the test. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah.
Yep.
So bang, broski, I did not get the video finished yesterday. It's a whole new day, but definitely still finna let y'all see how these rocking. You know what I mean? The shoe that we're gonna do it with is the greatest of all time. Let's debate, let's argue. You know what I'm saying? I know people might say it's the LeBron 9. You know what I mean? I know a lot of people like these LeBron 16s. But this one right here, I feel like this one and the LeBron 12, greatest of all time. That's just my opinion, though. That's just my opinion. We do not have to agree, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you think it's another, if you think it's another the better than these, my G, you know what I'm saying? Hey, drop it in the comment box. Let me know. But yeah, we're gonna do these up, cause I don't really think I did a legit on foot for these anyway. I don't even know if they popped up in a rotation or not. So I always wanted to see how these look on foot in 4K anyway, so hey, 2 birds, 1 stone type shit. Before we do, I know y'all see all this shit going on with A-List and Mr. Skinny. You know what I'm saying? Look, my advice to everyone who's not A-List and Mr. Skinny, mind y'all motherfucking business, man. Y'all stay out that shit, let them boys work that shit out, let them boys do whatever they gonna do. You know what I mean? At this point, it's clear that niggas probably never gonna be goddamn cool again. Skinny and A-List together on a videos or podcast, yeah, that shit probably done for. But, you know what I'm saying? What we can do is stay out of that shit. Try not to prolong it. Try not to, you know what I mean, make the shit carry out any further than it need to go. I really didn't want to speak on it, but I've talked to A-List and Skinny off camera on the telephone, and I told them boys, you know what I'm saying, y'all grown men. I can't tell y'all how to react. I can't tell y'all how to respond to each other. But one thing about it, man, the shit is just not a good look. You know what I'm saying? It's not a good look for black shootubers. It's not a good look for you guys personally. It's not a good look for, man, it just ain't a good look for the homies. Y'all know, bro, y'all done got all us involved with y'all shit. Well, not even involved with it, but, you know what I mean, y'all got all us invested into the Anytime podcast and what y'all had going on, and then shit blow up. So we are all hurt. You know what I mean? I'm speaking as a fan for the fans. You know what I'm saying? We ain't picking no sides. There ain't no winners in this shit. You know what I'm saying? If you ask me, both Skinny and A-List, but y'all both got to take the L, bro. Cause y'all know what I stand on the shit. I told both of y'all the shit did not have to come to YouTube. Wasn't supposed to come to YouTube. So on my behalf, man, I got nothing but love for both of y'all. But y'all definitely gotta hold this L and man, leave that shit alone. Let it die. I hope this shit be dead, gone, and stinking. I ain't talking about it no more. Don't nobody else need to talk about this shit no more. You know what I mean? Only reason why I'm talking about it now, cause goddamn Skinny put my clip in the video. So I feel like I had to come out and be like, look, you know what I'm saying? I ain't on Skinny side, I'm not on A-List side. Like I said, man, got nothing but love for both of them cats. They personal business ain't none of my business. I don't give a fuck with what them niggas doing with their life off this YouTube shit. You know what I'm saying? All I care about is YouTube. When it come to me uploading videos, that's where my loyalty lie. The community. I care about the community. The community don't want to see that shit, bro. It's a bad look for black people, black YouTubers. Motherfuckers gonna be like, damn, if this was going on in YouTube, I don't want nothing to do with that shit. You know what I'm saying? Big wigs, I'm pretty sure it's big wigs looking down like, man, goddamn, bro. I don't even want to do this shit. Like, this what y'all turning it to. I don't want nothing to do with this shit. You know what I mean? If we gonna have to go at each other to get views, nah. I definitely fuck around and tear this whole shit down. We'll just be straight vlogging. I want to put another goddamn shoot on this channel, if that's what ShoeTube coming to. But that's all I got to say about the shit, bro. Like I said, bro, I love y'all both, man. Y'all let that shit go. It's dead, gone, stinking on my end. If you win the fucking mob, bro, if you win the mob, do not entertain that shit. You know what I'm saying? No comments on the videos. No, don't. Leave that shit alone. Y'all let them boys work that shit out. Stay the fuck out of it. You know what I'm saying? On the mob. But, hey, man, let's do what we do. You know what I mean? Nothing but love with both of y'all, bro. For real, on the mob. So, yeah, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it a buck with y'all, bro. Like, these the best socks in the world, my nigga. Like, I ain't even saying it just cause it's mob only on it. For real, like, and honestly, I believe like my shoes kind of taken away from the sock. You know what I'm saying? The socks so damn hard, you could just wear them with flops and be good. You dig? Matter of fact, I'm about to go ahead and get rid of these shoes just so y'all can see how hard the sock is. Like, you know what I'm saying? Fuck the kicks, man. Look at these socks, bro. No bullshit, bro. When I took them out the pack, I was like, man, damn. My little socks cheap as hell, you know what I'm saying? The quality is not there on them. But when I put them on, bro, no fucking lie, instantly way more comfortable than all my other socks. And they're thinner. That's the key thing, like, bro, they're thin. And you know, like, our sneaker problems sometimes when you get up in age, you know what I'm saying, our feet start swelling up a little bit. So your shoes start to not fit like they used to, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes when you got a thick ass sock on, that can make or break the whole experience. You know what I mean? Sometimes if the sock's too thick, it can go from being a snug and cozy fit to being crazy uncomfortable. And you know what I mean? That's just facts. And anybody who go hard with the sock game can tell you, like, you know what I mean? That sock can make or break your whole experience for the day. As far as you rocking your kicks. Buying your shit true to size and all. You buy your shoe true to size, you get the wrong sock. That bitch be too thick and you know what I mean? You bunched up in them hoes like this all day. Crazy uncomfortable, but these got you covered. This is a sneakerhead's sock. You know what I mean? For one, they created by a sneakerhead, and two, designed with all your dopest sneakers in mind. Like, it ain't a sneaker you can't put on with these motherfuckers. I'm finna drop the black pair. And yeah, man, these shits go hard, bro. How about G? Mob.
Keep your cool, my nigga, just keep your cool, my nigga, just keep your cool. Hey, yo, daddy, wanna come out here? soul food tea. Sample shots on me, cream on my feet, way too much heat.